Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to start here with this terminal window. I'm going to load the NetBSD kernel over my serial cable, and I'm going to come over here to PuTTY and enable the serial console so I can use it and type into it and stuff like that. And then I'll show you guys the NetBSD functionality and what can be done with it and how it's limited and why it's limited. So I'll explain to you real quick that if you don't have a broadband adapter or LAN adapter, this becomes very limited in its functionality because you can't install new software over the internet with a modem, and pretty much it's like having a Linux workstation that doesn't have internet connection and only one way to store rewritable media, which is over the G1 bus. But there is a way you can get around this with installing the internal SCIF 0 SD card adapter cable I did with my first build, and then you can combine the patches from the SD card over internal serial port and the NetBSD G1ATA patches, so you can use a micro SD card or SD card as like your flash drive, if you will, to copy files to and from, without having the broadband adapter. But with the broadband adapter, it becomes very efficient and what you can do with it. But I'll show you a few things that you can run on it right now with just a hard drive mod and the kernel and OS on the hard drive. So this is pretty much what you can do with it. You can compile software and whatnot, but it all just has to be the two limiting factors of getting files to and from the hard drive for operating on or modifying or compiling or whatever whatsoever it be it, and internet connectivity. And I'm trying to figure out the slip um, configuration so I can run it off the TV with the PVR kernel, use my keyboard, and use the serial port as a serial IP device so I can use the internet over this serial connection instead. But yeah, there's I mean, I'm sure you can understand what I'm saying with this, so ciao.